Hi, Tube. Something a little different here. What are you doing now, Razor?
Well, we're gonna make a piece of rubber for our.
What the hell's that sticking out of your hood there?
It's foam. That was keeping my hood from rattling.
Oh, okay.
And the Cub. What I'm gonna do is gonna make a piece of rubber. We got some rubber here.
Okay.
It's rubber to put across here.
Nice piece of rubber. Rubber protects stuff.
So, I'm gonna use this. It's a perfect width. Cut our piece. We're gonna lock it down.
Okay, that ought to work good.
Contact cement with contact cement.
I do. It's probably some. Matter of fact, I had some out. There's some on the bench here.
Oh, there it is.
Good stuff.
Dap.
Dap. Dap it.
Dap it up.
Dap it up, buddy.
Alright.
Alright, I'm gonna cut some rubber.
We're gonna burn some rubber.
Alright. How's that rubber cutting?
Like cutting a rug.
I don't know if it's exactly the same, but
Not too bad.
that's good.
Keep going.
Keep cutting, man. Alright, we're gonna let him cut his rubber, and then we'll get back to him. Alright, what are you up to there, buddy?
I'm gonna clean it so we can contact cement it there.
Oh, lacquer thinner, good idea. Glue don't stick to dirt, right?
No. Very well. Grease. Grease for that matter.
Yeah, right.
Going on over here. Get a new piece.
I bet you a lot of your tubers don't even know you got this machine. It's a nice little machine.
Unless they see my older videos.
Yeah. Yeah, is right. Well, that probably has some kind of protective coating on it or something. We'll let Racer clean that up and then we'll get back to him.
Shake this up.
No, that's, you ain't gonna shake that up, buddy.
Ay, ay, ay.
Like a big bowl of snot.
That's pretty disgusting.
It is.
Just paint it on, huh?
Yeah. It's good stuff, though.
I use some of this on the Queen's VW pad.
Oh, yeah?
Piece of trim.
Luke was asking about that. He thought you still had the old GTI.
No, not anymore. That's a good car though.
Oh.
Traded it in for a truck. You never seen my truck.
Nah. Never did a video on it. You should have done a video on it.
Wow.
It's a nice truck.
Maybe you'll see it on here eventually.
They probably get glimpses of it once in a while.
Yeah. Interesting stuff, isn't it?
It is. A lot of the tubes might not know, but contact cement, they call it contact cement because you put the glue on both items that you're
Trying to contact.
you're trying to glue, and then when you put it together, when it contacts, it sticks. You actually have to let this stuff dry a little.
Let it set up.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe in the future you'll see us restore this thing.
Yeah, Racer's going to restore this. I think it's actually in pretty good shape myself.
Be a cool restoration project.
I will.
Back there.
Put it on a piece of wood here. I don't know which is the right side.
No.
Oh, here it is. I got it. There you go. Here they cleaned this. Now you gotta put some contact cement on it.
Oh, sticky.
Yeah. Not only does it keep the hood from rattling and keeping quiet and stuff like that, but it keeps it from wearing the paint out too.
Surprised this stuff doesn't go bad. It can't.
Yeah, oh, it's pretty old too. Alright, we're going to let this sit for about 10 minutes, 15 minutes, and let it dry up. And we'll go show you when Racer puts it back on.
Slap it on there.
Alright. Alright, both sides are pretty,
Pretty gooped up.
yeah, they're pretty dry. You see that has a shine to it? That could probably sit a little bit longer, but it'll be okay. And I don't know if you see the rest of it. Tool Racer just covered it. It's sort of got like a flat finish. So now you just put it on there. Once it's on there, it's on there.
It's on, it's on.
That's it.
No going back now, buddy.
Listen to it, squeaky clean. $147.
Got it.
Looking good. Let's try it out.
See how it works?
Yeah.
Squeaky clean.
Wow. Got a nice clasp on there. Nice latch on this. Yeah, it looks a lot better than a piece of foam sticking out of there. Oh, look at that. Ain't moving or rattling, nothing.
Better than a bullfrog's ass.
I'm sure it is. Not that I've ever checked it, but I'll take your word for it. All right.
I like it.
I do too. There you go. All right. He said we call us when done.
I think so.
All right. See you, Tubes.
See you, tubes.
All righty.